Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add payment method to booking.com. So first of all, you have to open the booking.com website and then of course also log into your account. And by the way, you can do this on your mobile as well. It's basically the same step, and when you are now logged into your booking.com account, then what you are going to do is to locate your name right here, and as you can see, just click on your name right here and then you get this option right here. Now click on manage account. Just going to load here for us, and as you can see, we should now be taken to this page. Now what I'm going to do is click on manage payment details here, and then you should be taken to this page right here. You can see payment cards, pay with new card. Just click on add card right here. Just going to load, and as you can see, I'm now able to add my payment card or my credit or debit card here. And then when you are done, just click on save, and after that you will be able to add your card as a payment method to booking.com. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.